How to use the power of email marketing strategies in your business. If you have a business of your own, whether small, medium, or big, then making use of the right email marketing strategies can be a great way to grow your business even more, or to get the gears of your new business oiled up and moving. It is through these strategies and practices that email marketing will be able to fuel your engine. Choose the best ESP. An ESP, or an email service provider, will help you plan, create, gather, design, organize, and send out your emails in an effective and efficient manner. You will also be able to use segmentation and tracking tools to understand the potential improvements that you can make. Know your audience. Make sure you know who your audience is. Understand their requirements and behavior patterns based on their browsing history on your website, as well as their buying history. You should also be aware of their profile, along with your own target audience, so that you are aware of what to expect. Write an introductory email. Your introductory email or your welcome email to your new subscribers can go a long way in helping you capture and maintain their interest for a longer time. Perfect your subject line and copy. It is important for you to take some time to perfect your subject line and copy when it comes to the various kinds of emails that you will be sending out to your subscribers and customers. This starts with the subject line of your email, so make it as clear, concise, benefit-focused, keyword-driven, active, and personal as possible. Build credibility. Using email marketing can be a great way for you to build credibility and loyalty in your business. Establish your expertise in your field through your emails to make your readers understand why your brand is the best. Make sure you use credible data and concrete examples with testimonials to make this even more effective. Use templates. The ESP that you use for your marketing campaign should have plenty of email templates that you can make use of to ensure good design, multiple colors, established fonts, and attractiveness when it comes to your emails. Use responsive emails. Responsive emails are those that can alter and modify their formatting on their own, so that it can be easier for your subscribers and customers to read your emails on any kind of device. Build a campaign. When it comes to your business, it is quite necessary for you to build your campaign and establish your goals. Align your email marketing campaign with your other marketing strategies and platforms, so that you maintain a consistent marketing strategy across all your platforms. Widen your reach. Email marketing can be a great way for you to widen the reach, improve conversions, and get good returns when it comes to your business. Make it a point to rely on this power responsibly and cleverly so that you can harness it properly and to your advantage.